How's it going, everyone? In this series of short videos, we're going to take a look at every sound you can find in the British English phonetic alphabet. This video will look at the E sound. So this is a long vowel. Technically it's called the close front unrounded vowel. We form it by stretching our lips back slightly as if we're going to smile and raising the front of our tongue up inside our mouth. So E. Go on, say it. E, E, E. Well done. So you can find a sound in loads of words. Obviously I'm not going to go through all of them, but some are beat, sheep, unique, queen, obsolete, Portuguese. That's basically it. So now we're going to take a look at its allophones, or variations. The E sound can often be found in a shortened form, like E. There's not much difference in it. The sound is formed in exactly the same way. Maybe the lips don't stretch as far back, but the tongue still rises to the front of the mouth. As with most vowels, its length can change depending on the consonant that follows it. As a general rule, if the following consonant is voiceless and closes the syllable, then a long vowel will become shorter. Listen and compare the E sound in these words. Bead, beat, Sheba, sheep, league, leak. Can you hear how the vowel length is shorter in the second set of words? Remember, don't allow the E sound to become so short that it turns into an I. It's still an E sound, just slightly shorter. So also, this shortened E sound can be found in a lot of pronouns. As pronouns are often weak words in a sentence, they will naturally undergo a shortening. So listen to the E sound in this sentence. She got busted selling weed. Did you hear how E in she is shorter than the E in weed? Yeah? Also, very importantly, this shortened E sound is frequently heard in words that end in Y. You know, words like happy or marry or excitedly, but it's worth repeating that we don't shorten it too much. It is happy, not happy. And so lastly, apart from shortening, if there is an E sound that is followed by a closed U sound, a quick Y is inserted between the two sounds. So for example, feel or steal. Did you hear the Y? Yeah? That's all for now. Thanks for watching.